Here's kind of a close-up of the shower head. It looks really trippy. That's pretty cool. But anyhow, I've got low pressure. So let me turn this on to show you the pressure I get. That's the pressure we get. Nothing too amazing. It comes with this attachment for the top. It does have a filter in here and a replacement in case you lose it. Here's the hose. It's got this cover. I'm probably just gonna leave that one on there. And then the tape, make sure you go around righty-tighty because that's the way you're gonna screw the attachment part. We're gonna screw this on. Doesn't need to be super tight because it does have that rubber grommet. That's probably good enough. And the hose does already have rubber grommets on, and it comes with these two replacement parts. The shower head does have a stop setting, so you can push it this way for going, and then you can stop it there. But it also on the back has these three settings. So looks like middle, outside, then outside. So let's start with just the middle and see what the pressure is like. All right, so we've got that setting. It's kind of like a misting spray. Pressure is fine, I guess. And then this is the middle and outside setting. So you can see I do really have low pressure, but this is better than my previous shower head. So that's a good sign. And then with just the outside, the pressure is actually pretty good, a lot better. So I'm probably going to use it like this. It's pretty full, pretty big, not bad. I'm excited to have a normal-ish shower again.